Hey YouTube, here's another thing that I'm going to be shooting tonight. It's a Halloween 2015. I picked these up about $10 a box. They are Eternity Canister shells by Megabanger. And I don't know, I've never heard of this before. It's a new product that they're carrying, and so I wanted to shoot some of these tonight and see how they do. See if I can get the cover off. And it comes with 8 per box with a tube. This cardboard tube, just a small canister shell. Probably performs like a ball shell. The size of it's not big or anything, but doesn't label any of the breaks or anything like that. But it's got 2 yellow, 2 orange, 2 blue, 2 red, and we'll just check these out tonight and see how they perform.
Actually, how's it going?